In the age of climate change, the automotive industry is shifting towards more sustainable transportation solutions. Here are the top eco-friendly cars set to launch in 2024. And these are the top anticipated 2024 car models that you might like too. Cadillac Escalade IQ. All new Escalade IQ will receive the electric treatment, and is expected that Escalade IQ will be a 2024 year model, joining the Cadillac's lineup of EVs for that year. Drawing inspiration from the GMC Hummer EV SUV, the Escalade IQ is to feature GM's advanced Ultium battery technology, with an estimated battery capacity of approximately 177 kilowatt-hours and a powertrain boasting 3 electric motors generating over 830 horsepower. Beneath the SUV's bonnet, it is highly probable that General Motors will contribute the cutting-edge Ultium drive technology, along with fully equipped Ultium battery packs featuring electronic all-wheel drive, either dual or even triple motor setups, rear-wheel steering, and an optimal blend of power and range. Whispers from the grapevine suggest a top-tier setup boasting an impressive 650 horsepower, or a long-distance oriented variant capable of covering up to 450 miles on a sole charge. With its power and advanced technology, the vehicle is expected to weigh over 4 tons. Starting price for the new electric Cadillac Escalade IQ will start around $100,000 and go up from there. 2024 Volvo EX30. The unveiling of the new Volvo EX30 marks a significant moment in U.S. Volvo. This rear-wheel drive EV offers a claimed range of 275 miles and 268 horsepower. It joins the exclusive group of EVs priced under $40,000, competing against the outgoing Chevrolet Bolt EV and the upcoming Hyundai Kona Electric. The fresh Volvo EX30 exhibits design cues and an ambiance reminiscent of the EX90. While keeping the recognizable LED running lights, the EX30 presents a more compact interpretation of Volvo's signature appearance. Despite its smaller dimensions, the SUV boasts a lengthy wheelbase and sizable wheels. Volvo has meticulously balanced the front and rear overhangs, creating a symmetrical side profile impression. At its launch, 5 color options will be available, with a more rugged cross-country variant slated for a 2024 release. The cross-country model will be equipped with 19-inch wheels, increased ground clearance, and underbody skid plates for added off-road safeguarding. This new compact SUV will be priced at $36,000 for the base model in 2024. Genesis GV70. With everything turning electric in 2024, Genesis has decided to fully electrify its premium V6 engine GV70 SUV, and many people will probably consider it as their next luxury electric SUV. If you already like how the gas-powered GV70 looks, then you will be happy to know that not a lot has changed in its incoming electrified version on the exterior. If you don't, well, you may want to look at it again, because this masterpiece SUV stands out from the crowd. Also, you'll be glad to know that the mechanical makeup of the electrified GV70 will offer just about the same feat as driving its gas-powered counterpart, which will make it easy for people transitioning from gas to electric. As for specs, you're getting 77.5 kilowatt battery that should last around 250 to 350 miles of driving on a single charge. Also, with the dual motor all-wheel drive version, you should be packing about 429 horsepower. With the 2024 Genesis GV70 Electric, the luxury SUV segment is going to get even more competitive. Kia EV9. Early 2024 is when the 2024 Kia EV9 is anticipated to appear. The 2024 Kia EV9 will be built on the EV6's popularity, while being a big brother SUV with 3 rows. Interestingly, there will be 5 different trim options for the EV9, with a starting price of about $55,000. When built with max options, it should have roughly 400 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque. If you want the top potent version of this EV, Those are not bad numbers for a three-row family SUV. For Kia, it's crucial to have a family EV in the fleet as the auto industry embraces electrification more and more. That will be the 2024 Kia EV9, depending on how the interior is set up. It will most likely have seats for 6 or 7 people as a three-row SUV. Mercedes-AMG EQE SUV. Mercedes unveiled a fully electric SUV that was more the potent AMG model, giving the 5-seater up to 671 horsepower and 500 kilowatts. The two variants each have their front fascias, while the standard EQE SUV has a closed-off grille with a star motif. AMG's face has vertical accents with a Panamericana grille-inspired appearance. The interiors of the two vehicles are similar, and both come with the brand's optional hyperscreen display. Mercedes will also provide 4 trim levels for the Mercedes-AMG EQE SUV, from the base 350 Plus to the AMG, and the rear-wheel drive 350 Plus will have a single motor producing 288 horsepower, 214 kilowatt, and 417 pound-feet, 565 Newton-meters of torque. Mercedes will sell the 536 horsepower, 392 kilowatt EQE 500 SUV and the dual-motor EQE 350 4MATIC. Customization will allow new Mercedes EQE owners to determine price as well as how long their vehicle can go when fully charged. VinFast VF7. The VF7 is VinFast's response to the Toyota BZ4X, which suggests that it might end up being a possible best fan favorite of VinFast electric SUVs. The VF7 should appeal to a wide range of electric SUV buyers because it's compact enough for confined urban environments but substantially large enough to compete on the open road. VinFast will be offered in Eco and Plus versions, just like the smaller VF6. 349 horsepower and 368 pounds-feet of torque are anticipated to be produced by the more potent dual-motor all-wheel drive Plus variant. Regarding the front drive, single-motor VF7 Eco, expect the same 201 horsepower and 228 pound-feet of torque, but hopefully something more optimized to offer a little more punch. Details about battery pack capacity and EV system charging are not yet available. The VF7 will be marketed as an upscale electric crossover with options including premium vegan leather, upholstery trim, and a panoramic sunroof. A front LED light bar with animated effects and rear trademark LED lights are among its exterior features. Each VF7 will also be equipped with various active driver assistance systems. Genesis GV90. Taking the luxury EV SUV conversation to a whole new level is the new 2024 Genesis GV90. It is the brand's first attempt at a three-row electric SUV, and it is said to be their flagship SUV. Genesis has always been great with its design appeal, and all that inspiration will also be transported to the GV90, so hopes are high. At the moment, we know that the GV90 will share the same powertrain as the upcoming Kia EV9 and Hyundai Ioniq 7. This should produce impressive results on the step of the pedal, as well as an impressive range of around 300 miles on a single charge minimum. Genesis will also benefit from the 350 kW fast charging infrastructure of Hyundai Motor Group, just like two other brands like Kia and Hyundai. Most importantly, Genesis promised to keep the luxury standards throughout the interior and exterior of this three-row SUV. Cadillac Lyriq. By far one of the most interesting luxury electric SUVs you will ever set your eyes on, the new Lyriq is making a return in 2024, with interesting changes based on customers' feedback. The major update to the Lyriq is the new trim levels. You get a base model tech trim, a mid-range luxury trim, and the top of the class is the new Sport. The major differences between these three trims are more aesthetic than functional. You may be able to go with either and still be just fine. Choreographed exterior lights, illuminated door handles, and rain-sensing wipers are the kind of features you may be missing out on if you go for the base model. Interestingly, range estimates are lower than they were in the 2023 Lyriq. rear-wheel drive will offer about 308 miles, while you get 1 mile less on all-wheel drive at 307 miles. Performance is to be the same with 340 horsepower on the single-motor rear-wheel drive and 500 horsepower on the dual-motor all-wheel drive variant. The 2023 model did not disappoint in performance, especially for a vehicle this size in the SUV class, and we expect more of the same from the new Lyriq. Good news is that the base level still starts at around $59,000.